Most creatures kill to survive, to eat, to protect their young, to keep the cycle moving. That's what nature taught us, that violence always has a purpose, but every rule has an exception, because somewhere in the shadows of the animal kingdom, some creatures kill for something else entirely, something darker, something almost human. Take dolphins, beautiful, intelligent, smiling creatures of the sea. We call them friendly, playful, peaceful. But in the wild, scientists have recorded pods of dolphins attacking baby porpoises. Not to eat them, but to toy with them, chasing, ramming, throwing them into the air, until the ocean turns quiet again. No hunger, no threat, no reason, just killing for the thrill of it. Then there are orcas, the so-called killer whales. They hunt seals, yes, but sometimes they don't even bother to finish the job. They'll toss their prey skyward again and again, as if the act itself is more satisfying than the meal. And maybe it is, because orcas have been observed teaching their young how to stalk, corner, and torment, not just hunt, like a deadly game passed down through generations. And closer to home, the house cat, cute, innocent, domesticated. Yet behind those eyes hides one of the world's most efficient killers. Cats don't always eat what they kill. They play, they chase, they cripple, they let their prey crawl away just to drag it back again. Why? Scientists say it's instinct, practice, but sometimes the practice never stops. It's pleasure disguised as instinct. Even our closest relatives, chimpanzees, carry the same shadow. Entire groups have been seen ambushing rival tribes, attacking, tearing apart, and displaying the bodies. Not for food, not for survival, just for dominance, just to feel powerful. A strange and familiar word, isn't it? Power. So what does all this mean? Are these creatures broken? Glitches in nature's code? Or have we misunderstood nature itself? Because humans do the same. We just hide it better. We film tragedies for clicks. We slow down to stare at accidents. We build shows, games, even art, around death, violence, and pain. We gossip not to survive, but to destroy. We fight wars not to protect life, but to prove who matters more. Our species invented cruelty with creativity. We industrialized it. We made it a culture. And the line that separates us from them might be thinner than we want to believe. Maybe dolphins don't kill for fun. Maybe they kill because they can, because the world made them clever enough to feel boredom, because evolution gave them time to play God in the water. And what about us? We conquered the planet, built cities, tamed fire, but we never tamed ourselves. The same brain that invented art and love also built torture chambers and nuclear weapons. The same heart that feels compassion can burn with jealousy, revenge, and pleasure in destruction. Maybe cruelty isn't a mistake in evolution. Maybe it's a feature, a strange byproduct of awareness. Because to understand pain, you must be capable of causing it. To feel alive, you must know what it means to take life away. So when we look at dolphins, orcas, chimps, or cats, we're not looking at monsters. We're looking into a mirror. And maybe deep down, what terrifies us most about them is that they remind us of ourselves. Then maybe violence is older than morality. Maybe it's written in the very code of life. And if that's true, then perhaps creation and cruelty are not opposites, but two halves of the same design. So the question isn't why animals kill for fun. The question is, why do we still pretend we don't?